Now with the 35 mm holes being drilled, it's time for us to start screwing in the hinges. Now the manufacturers have provided these screws in the package, which is a very good gesture. So it is included in the price. So let me go ahead and screw these in. It's very important for us to maintain a particular alignment. Okay, it has to be as straight as possible. If things go like this or like that, or in a non-linear manner, it will actually have an effect on the soft closing and it will not be smooth. So we'll try to screw this in as straight as possible. So here goes the first one, holding it as perpendicular as possible. That went in pretty fast. It's in the high gear, so let me reduce it to the second gear and then do this slowly. So there is some wobble. I'll try to fix this. Okay, seems to be pretty strong now. Alright, so this is how the soft close hinge works. This is the opening motion, this is the closing motion. Okay, so far it seems good. Let's see how it is when I attach it to the main body. Alright, see you later.